kung ang murder ay yung pinaka-grabing kasalanan, ginagamit nila itong grabing kasalanan as an excuse. Diba? Pag mawala ka, hindi naman ako pumatay ng tao, grabe ka naman. Nakuha niyo po yun? Diba? Ginagamit nila yun as an excuse dahil ito kasi yung pinaka-grabe. Murder. So some people use this one as an excuse pag sila po kinukumpronta ng kanilang mga kasalanan. And maybe not. Kasi ang murder is one of the oldest sin known to mankind. Pinakamatanda, halos pinakamatanda. No? Pasang po na pula yan, it began in Cain and Abel. Ilan niyo pa yun? Cain at si Abel? Ilan na narinig niyo ba yun?
Opo, anak ni ano.
Talaga ha? O sino yung namatay?
Si Adan.
Very good answer. Very good answer.
Kaya maganda po umaatin. Alam mo bakit? So, yung pagkakaalala mo, nako-correct. And some of us can calibrate again. Tama ba? Napaganda mo yun, no?
Nagpatawa yan.
Nagsimula mo yan kay Cain at Abel. At sinigurado ko po kung sino po talaga namatay dito. No? Okay. Alam mo natin kung sino namatay. Sino po namatay? Ha?
Si Cain.
Sino namatay pa?
Si Cain. No. Si Cain.
Si Abel po yung namatay. At tanong, sino ang panganay?
Si Cain. Si Cain. Cain.
Si Cain.
Diba, pag ini-introduce sila, Cain and Abel.
Oo.
O sino una?
Si Cain.
Si Abel ang pinakain.
Si Cain nga.
Diba, hindi po tayo lalalim yan. No? Okay, so it began in
Patawa lang ni
Cain
Pastor.
and Abel. Si Abel po yung panganay at pinatay po niya si
Cain.
Abel. No? These are the first children born into the world. Okay? This morning, we will look what the Bible say about the sixth commandment and see if we just possibly maybe indeed guilty of murder. Wala naman ako pinatay. Pinatay ko lang 80s. At marami sa yung pinatay. Bawat po sa ating pinatay. Marami tayong pinatay na oras.
Correct.
Okay, may outline po tayo ngayon. Outline po natin is... Saan po yan? Yan. Ang outline po natin is we have the meaning. Ano ba ang meaning ng sixth commandment of murder? Ano ba yung mga provision? Okay? And thirdly, ano ang reason nito? At may bonus po tayo. Ano ba ang consequence ng murder? If we done something, may resulta po ito. Consequence. Okay? First and foremost, tingnan po natin what is the meaning of murder. Okay. The word translate murder in the sixth commandment refers to taking of human life. Taking of human life. Sa Hebrew language has a different meaning or different word for just kill. Magkaiba po ang kill at saka murder. Okay? For example, in Genesis 9:1-3, the killing of animals